Ganja Shardal the Noyadi Tekuvatiako Nyojong. Today's lesson is learning one of the many ways on how to ask and answer the question, Can you tell me in Hmong? It goes like this. Có khia trao cú bùa tao. Ý trong gì? Có khia trao cú bùa tao. If yes, cú khia trao có tao mà. Ý trong gì? Cú khia trao có tao mà. If no, then you say this. Cú khia trao có chỉ tao o. One more time. Cú khia trao có chỉ tao o. Shong cơ. I hope that today you learned one of the many ways on how to ask and answer the question, Can you tell me in Hmong? Cho sẽ cỡ, cho sẽ xảo, có yên cỡ tao, xin chỉ đua lử rào.